All right, let's talk about writing. Specifically, that feeling when you know what you want to say, but it just comes out messy. Well, today we're going to fix that. We're going to master the topic sentence. Think of it as the single most powerful tool for giving your ideas a crystal clear direction. You know exactly what I'm talking about, right? You start a paragraph, you're on a roll, but then, a few sentences in, you've kind of lost the plot. The whole thing just wanders off, and your brilliant main point gets totally buried. It's super frustrating, but believe me, the fix is way simpler than you think. And here it is. Say hello to the topic sentence. This is literally the GPS for every single paragraph you write from now on. It's the one sentence that you plug in at the start, and it makes sure every other word that follows stays on the fastest, clearest route to your main point. No more weird, accidental detours. So, how does this whole GPS thing actually work? Let's get into what a really great topic sentence is designed to do. Because it's so much more than just the first sentence of a paragraph. It's basically its mission statement. And it really all comes down to these three things. First, it almost always comes right at the beginning, setting the stage immediately. Second, it's not just some dry fact. It's your main idea, your opinion on the subject. And third, it's like a big signpost for the reader, telling them, hey, this is what we're about to talk about. It's the leader of the pack. And you know what the best part is? You don't have to guess how to write one of these things. Nope. There's a super simple two-part formula that just works. Every single time. This is the secret to building a perfect topic sentence from the ground up. That's it, just two little parts. Once you get these down, you'll be able to build a strong topic sentence for literally anything you're writing about. Okay, so here are the two magic ingredients. First up, you've got the topic. This is just the what. What's the paragraph about? Is it about space travel, baking, video games? That's your topic. And then you have the main idea. This is the so what. It's your specific point of view, your opinion, the one thing you want to say about that topic. So the whole thing just boils down to this really simple equation. You take your topic, you add your main idea, and boom, you've got a powerful topic sentence. It really is that straightforward. Let's see it in action with a couple of examples. Okay, check this one out. Switzerland is a very interesting country to visit. What's the topic here? Easy, Switzerland. And what's the main idea? What's the writer's specific point? That it is a very interesting country to visit. See? Topic plus main idea. This sentence is now making a promise to the reader that the rest of the paragraph is going to explain why Switzerland is so interesting. Let's do one more. Dogs make excellent pets. The topic? Dogs, of course. And the main idea? That they make excellent pets. Notice, again, this isn't just a fact like dogs have fur. It's a claim. It's an idea that now needs to be proven with some examples or reasons. Okay, so now that we've got the formula down, we've got to talk about quality. Because, not all topic sentences are created equal. Some of them are just dead ends. They stop your paragraph cold before it even gets a chance to start. Let's learn how to spot the difference. This, right here, is the million-dollar question you have to ask yourself every single time. Is my sentence just a simple, boring fact, or is it an actual idea that I can build on, that I can explain and support? The answer to this question makes all the difference. Let's look at this side by side. On the left, we've got a bad one. My friend's name is Ken. I mean, okay, and? Where do you go from there? It's a total dead end. But look at the one on the right. I admire my friend Ken because he doesn't give up. Now that is an idea. The rest of the paragraph can now be filled with stories and examples of Ken's persistence. See the difference? And that's really the key takeaway here. A simple fact just slams the door shut. There's nothing else to say. But a developable idea, a claim or an opinion, that's an invitation. It's begging for proof. It's asking for examples. It gives your entire paragraph a reason to exist. So let's wrap all of this up. Mastering the topic sentence isn't just some little writing hack. Seriously, this is like unlocking a new superpower that's going to bring focus and clarity to pretty much everything you write. So here it is, the whole process in 3 simple steps. Step 1, figure out your topic. What are you writing about? Step 2, decide on your main idea. What's the one point you really want to make? And step 3, combine them with our formula, and then, this is the important part, test it. Ask yourself, is this a dead-end fact, or is it an idea I can actually develop? When you get right down to it, that's what this is all about. A great topic sentence is basically a promise that you're making to your reader. It's a promise that you're about to deliver one clear, focused, and valuable idea. If you can keep that promise, your writing is going to be so much more powerful. So, now it's your turn. Think about an email you've got to write, or maybe a paper you're working on, or just an idea you've been kicking around. What's the first topic and main idea you're going to smash together to create one of these paragraph guiding, super clear topic sentences? Go ahead, give it a shot.